Relationships are incredibly fragile and can easily break under the weight of unrealistic expectations, simple misunderstandings, or minor issues. But what if I told you that there are ways to save your relationship from reaching that breaking point? And if you've already been through a breakup, can you rebuild a stronger connection than before? Today, we'll be discussing how to not only save a relationship, but also how to renew and strengthen it after a breakup. Relationships are delicate. They can be easily shattered by things like unrealistic expectations, simple misunderstandings, or even minor issues that, if left unresolved, can snowball into something much bigger. But here's the thing. If you and your partner have mastered the art of resolving conflicts peacefully and tackling challenges together, there's no reason your relationship should ever reach the point of a breakup. Unfortunately, not every relationship manages to avoid that breaking point. Once a relationship breaks, restoring it can be a tough and challenging journey. Sometimes, taking a break can help both individuals gain perspective and decide if they truly want to get back together. But how do you make a relationship stronger after a breakup? To resolve any problem, you first need to understand the reasons behind it. Carefully analyze your relationship and figure out where things went wrong. This process is most effective when both individuals work together to identify the problem and find a solution. Before you can move forward, you need to be willing to forgive. Forgiveness is a powerful tool for healing. If you hold on to past mistakes, rebuilding your relationship will be nearly impossible. Desmond Tutu once said, "We are not responsible for what breaks us, but we can be responsible for what puts us back together again." After a breakup, many couples attempt to renew the relationship with the same passion and dynamics as before. While this can work, especially after minor issues, it's important to recognize that some situations, like infidelity or trauma, may require a new approach. Embrace the changes and the new dynamics in your relationship. Holding on to the past only keeps you stuck, but accepting the present allows you to grow into a stronger connection. How do you save a relationship after a breakup? The key lies in renewing your commitment to one another. Set new ground rules that will help both of you find happiness together. Once you've made these commitments, make sure you follow through. Remember, you can't change the past, but you have the power to shape the future. One of the most effective ways to renew a relationship is by changing yourself. You might not be able to change your partner, but you can certainly work on your own habits and behaviors. This doesn't mean becoming overly submissive, but rather making adjustments that contribute to a more satisfying and conflict-free relationship. Love isn't a one-time effort. It's a renewable energy that requires ongoing effort from both partners. Love is created through shared positive emotions, harmony between behaviors, and a mutual desire to invest in each other's well-being. The more you practice creating love, the stronger your relationship will become. To truly renew a relationship, reignite the passion. Passion is the secret ingredient that keeps the spark alive. Make your intimate relationship a priority. Kiss and hug each other, plan date nights, and bring excitement back into your connection. Communication is crucial to renewing a relationship. A lack of communication is often the root cause of many breakups. Enhance your communication skills and work together with your partner to develop a more understanding and connected relationship. Remember, relationships are fragile, but with effort, commitment, and love, they can be mended and strengthened after a breakup. Don't let a breakup be the end. Use it as an opportunity to create a stronger, more loving connection. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with others who might benefit from these tips. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time on Love Unraveled. Keep spreading love.